So now all ready for the glue up. Just did a final fitting, make sure everything is okay. The shims are ready, the clamps are set ready to go in the right space, and yeah, I'll show you again when it's glued. And there's the glue up completed. I will leave that for the next 8 hours overnight, and we will pick that up again tomorrow. In the meantime, what I'm going to do is just make the piece that fits in here, the shelf or the base piece that fits within the top part for where the lid will go. So let's see what this is like after a good night's resting for glue up. Good sign, didn't fall apart. So that's looking quite good. I'm going to clean that one up now, and we will move on to the next part of the joinery.